Are you ready to take your turmeric game to the next level? In 2024, we've got some viral turmeric hacks that you need to try. First up, turmeric face masks. Mix turmeric with honey and yogurt for a glowing complexion. Say goodbye to dull skin and hello to a radiant glow. Next, turmeric tea. Boil water with turmeric, ginger, and a dash of cinnamon for a warm and soothing drink. Perfect for a cozy night in or a pick-me-up in the afternoon. Turmeric latte. Anyone? Add turmeric to your favorite milk and sweeten with honey for a delicious and nutritious drink. It's like a golden latte that's good for you. And finally, turmeric popcorn. Sprinkle turmeric and nutritional yeast over freshly popped popcorn for a savory and healthy snack. It's the perfect movie night treat. Try out these viral turmeric hacks and let us know which one is your favorite. Thanks for watching the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks.